Alright, guys and girls, before I head off to the sushi place, let me just show you my apartment where I'm staying. So the name is Soul Apartments. It's in the El Poblado neighborhood in Medellín, which is a very safe neighborhood and where a lot of expats and tourists come. So it costs a bit more than the other neighborhoods, but it's well worth it. So we have a freezer over here. There's nothing inside except for some soy milk, water, and Gatorade. Here we have a kitchen area, microwave, oven, kitchenette, sink. We have all sorts of stuff here for, if you just want to stay inside and cook instead of going out to eat. Here we have a washing room. So the cool thing about this, it's a washing machine and a dryer in one. So very, very handy. It dries your clothing after it has been washed. So this is like the living room area. Got a bench, poster. The curtains can go down, I just left it up. We have a balcony over here. Don't think you can see anything, it's a bit on the later side now, so a bit darker. We have some very cool aesthetic decoration stuff, but they're very, very cool. So we have a TV over here, and this is the bedroom with some amazing art. So this is my bed. They gave me 6 pillows. I don't even know what the fuck I have to do with 6 pillows. Like, I'm so used to just sleeping on one pillow. That's literally all I need. So I just put the rest on the side. And when you're thinking like, I want to watch some TV, I need to go to the living room, right? No. Look at this, guys. Look at this. How cool is that? You can watch in your bed. And when you're tired of that, you just move on to the living room. Very cool. All right. So here we have a remote control for the air conditioning. It can get a little bit humid at night, so the air conditioning is very, very nice. Here we have like a closet area. I just put some clothing which I washed yesterday. We have a locker, iron, and here is the bathroom. So we have 2 bathrooms in this place. I forgot if I even showed the bathroom at the beginning. So here we have a bathroom. Just a small bathroom with mirror. But then here we have another one with a shower. But I just use this one. So I have a big shower. The shower is very nice. Also, the bed. Guys, this has been, I think, the best bed that I've ever slept on. It's so comfy. I can't even explain it, but yeah. So here you can, make yourself pretty. Got my birthday shirt on. Nothing too fancy. Got some jeans. Gonna wear some white sneakers. And grab some sushi. So I think I've showed everything. yeah, but it's such a cool apartment. So the two places that I've stayed before were like 30 euros a night. This one costs a bit more. This one is 55 euros a night. But you know, it's my birthday week. I usually don't like to spend a lot of money on hotels or, you know, places where I stay, because at the end of the day, a bed is a bed, and you know, as long as I got a bathroom, I'm fine. But you know, it's my birthday week. Gotta spoil myself sometimes, and I think this is a pretty good deal. I will also show you the other facilities, which are upstairs. I'm currently on the 5th floor, and yeah, I will see you at the next part of the video. So this is the gym area. We got some dumbbells, mats, benches, some cardio equipment. Got like a machine here, water machine, towels. All right. And then here we have a game room. Oh, here are the lights. So I think this is like a poker table. We have like a poker table thing here. Can play pool. Very cool. This is the pool table. We have a arcade machine, Super Mario. And then I see a PlayStation over here. Cool. Okay. Yeah. And guys, check out this view over here. Medellín at night. And we also have a pool area over here. I'm not sure if it's open, so I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. What we have here, like some showers and bathrooms for after the gym. I think this is a sauna, but someone is inside. So here we have a pool area. I'm not gonna go in, I'm just gonna show you. Has a jacuzzi and the pool with also some amazing views. Yeah, you have like a bench area over there. You even have a barbecue there. And some amazing views again.